So the first thing we need to do is set up our Shopify account. Go ahead and click on the first link at the top of this video's description. That's going to make sure that you're getting the best available deal when you sign up for Shopify. And right now, you'll get a 3-day free trial and then 3 months for just $1 per month. So make sure to use that link down below to save yourself some money. After you click on that link, you'll be brought to this page here. Go ahead and enter your email address right here and click on Start Free Trial to move on. Now let's click on Continue with Email. And on this page here, just go ahead and enter your personal information and create a password. And once that's done, go down and click on Create Shopify Account. And once you're brought to this page here, this is where you're able to claim your 3-day free trial and the special $1 per month offer. So to claim this special offer and your free 3-day trial, go to the right-hand side and simply input your payment information here. And once that's done, go down and click on Subscribe for $1 to move on. Now it's time to choose our plan. I recommend just going with the basic plan. It has enough features for anybody that's just starting out. So I'll click on Try Basic. And I'll add my business address later, so I'll go to the bottom right and click on Add Later. We're going to go ahead and skip the onboarding setup, so let's click on Skip Customize Setup. Nice, and now you're signed up and subscribed to Shopify.